to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing another day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on Chainlink. Bitcoin took a quick dump yesterday, and we are expecting big moves this week as we have the FOMC statement coming out on Wednesday. And we are still in our structure, and we could expect more moves to the downside. Let's look at the charts. So we started this new month with a dump to the downside from approximately 30k down to 28.2k. And this is in preparation for Wednesday's FOMC meeting. The market in Europe is closed, and we could expect some moves tomorrow as well in preparation for the FOMC statement. What the market maker created is some legroom to the upside. We have a volume candle up to 29.2k, and slightly above we have at 29.5k. Also an unfilled volume candle, a lot of sell orders in that area. So I think the market is going to go sideways until Wednesday. Big spike up to 30k maybe, and then dump. Or vice versa, we could dump down to 27k, go up, go down again, and then continue right to the upside. You never know. That's why I always tell you that don't trade the FOMC meeting. Sit and relax and watch the show and make your decision approximately 4 hours after the meeting. So what's happened previously? Well, we had our double top formation. We had a confirmation here at, when we broke this low right here at 29.6k, dropped down, we had our first retrace up, and then we moved to the downside down to 26.9k. We had our first retrace. Yeah, this was double top formation, and this is the first retrace. If we still hold this area, this high right here at, let's say, 30.5k, if we stay below it, the structure is still valid, and we could expect the next move to the downside down to 25k, because that is where the next volume candle resides at the 1 hour chart. So when we completed that, or if we do that, we will most likely have a retrace up of some kind, possibly to 28k again, before we drop and form a double bottom formation. And the next volume candle zone is at 23k, or possibly even at 20.5k. That's where we might bottom out, create a double bottom formation, and move out from there in the same pattern as always. Something to look out for. And if we take a look at news events, we can see that we have the FOMC statement on Wednesday. The market is expecting a 25 basis point rate hike. We will see what happens. I think that's most likely, and it's priced in. So if we get a pivot, that will shock the market, and price will move probably to the upside as risk is favored again. But we'll see. I think the Fed will stick to their plan and pause in the next meeting, possibly in June. So interesting day. I will cover a day trading setup for you on that day, and yeah, I'm gonna watch it closely. Very interesting. Liquidation map, then we can see that it's clearly more money to the downside for the market maker to grab, especially at 25k, where we also have a volume candle which is unfilled. So more money is to the downside left on the table for the market maker to take. Pretty interesting. I don't see much money until 32k, and the next cluster is at 34k. Could possibly go there, but I think it's more likely that we have a drop to the downside for Bitcoin in the coming weeks. However, this is not financial advice. It's just for entertainment and educational purposes only. Now let's take a look at Chainlink. As we can see, Chainlink dropped to the downside from its high at $8.8. We're now currently below $7. And yeah, we've been in this zone for a while now. If we zoom out as much as possible, we can see that I've left these lines for you at $9 and at $6. We've been trading in this zone for a while. We can go back until I think somewhere in spring last year. we've respected this zone, yeah, since May 2022. We've been in this zone since then. Great for accumulation and for investing in Chainlink because it is a great project. But you could also trade it. As I told you, build your shorts around the $8.5 to $9 area. Take some profits at the $6 area. And if you aren't in a trades, you could go long in the $6.5 to $6 area. Build your short longs in this area and wait and take some profits when it goes up to $9. So we are currently in the middle of this accumulation zone, and we'll be moving to the downside. And as I said, Bitcoin is following the same market maker structure as always, and we could expect some legs to the downside, and that could take Chainlink down to $6 again, and that is a great opportunity to go long and ride out up to $8.5 to $9. Interesting formation. And this is not financial advice, none of this is. And I hope you learned something today and that you like this video, and subscribe to our channel. We talk to each other on Wednesday before the FOMC meeting. Have a good one. Big boss out.